Hi, I Shasini,
I Kusanya.
and today from TVPSS we are having
A cooking competition made by the Board's Librarian and Christian Fellowship SXI. The day is 25th November. There is 8 teams in this competition and it is held in the canteen of St. Xavier institution. Let's watch the next clip.
And we are making milk chocolate. We're melting it. Yeah. So you have to put on top the topping. Bye bye.
Good morning, and we are from Malaysia Kitchen. So today we are cooking Nasi Lemak for the main dish, and drinks we are making watermelon soda, and for the dessert we are making the mango sago. It is a traditional food from Malaysia, and it is delicious. Enjoy your food. Thank you. Bye.
Somebody, ain't that just beautiful? Don't let that scare you. No one believes a single word you say. I like the way you think. Let's take this all the way. I'm tired of waiting, cause this feels like something.
Every team in this competition must make 3 dishes, which is a special dessert, a special drink, and the main dish, Nasi Lemak. Did you guys realize that our team was the first place in this competition?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification button. I Shasini
I Kusanya.
from TVPSS SXI.